Welcome back, guys. In today's video we are going to learn how to change a binary number to a hexadecimal number, or from base 2 to base 16. In our previous video we did how to convert from binary to octal and binary to decimal and decimal to binary. If you have not watched those videos, please go and watch our previous videos so that you will understand it easy. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like and share our videos. Now let's move on to the board. Guys, welcome back. So we are going to change from binary to hexadecimal or base 16. So we have decimal numbers and hexadecimal numbers. So in decimal numbers, 1 corresponds to 1, 2 corresponds to 2, 3 corresponds to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 corresponds to 6, 7 corresponds to 7, 8 corresponds to 8, 9 corresponds to 9. But in decimal, 10 corresponds to A. When you come to hexadecimal, we don't write 10, but you write A. 11 is B. 12 is C. 13 is D. 14 is E. And 15 is F. It ends at 15 because we are working under base 16. No answer should be greater or equal to 16. So we end at 15, which is F. So in hexadecimal, we don't write 10 but A. And we don't write 15 but F. So if you have a binary number like 110011011. So if you have a binary number like this and we are to change this to hexadecimal, we regroup the numbers or the binary numbers in groups of 4 bits. So we have to regroup the binary numbers in groups of 4 bits. In our previous video, where we were changing from binary to octal, we were grouping them in groups of 3 bits. Here in hexadecimal, we regroup in groups of 4 bits. So I will count my 4 bits and it will end here. We always start from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will have it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my first group of 4 bits is, the second one is, and the third one is. So I have to change these ones to decimal. So in changing to decimal, I have 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So I have 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1, 13. So I have my 13 here. I have 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1, 13. I have my 13 here. I have 8 plus 4, 12. Now in hexadecimal, we don't write 12. So 12 is C. 13 is D. And 13 is D. So my answer is C, D, D, base 16. Now let's try another one. So if you have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1001 base 2, and we have to change this to hexadecimal or base 16. So we regroup the numbers in groups of 4 bits. So this will be my first group, then 1 2 3 4 my second group. So my first group is 1001. My second group is 0101, and my last group is 1. Since it's only 1 and we need 4 bits, we add 3 zeros at the back here. Then I would have to change these ones to decimal. So to change from decimal, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8. So here I will get 1. Here 4 plus 1, I will get 5. 8 plus 1, 9. So my answer is 159 base 16. Let's try for the last time. So we have 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 base 2, and we have to change this to hexadecimal. We regroup these ones in groups of 4 bits. So 1 2 3 4. So 0 1 1 0. So this is my first group. Then my second group will be 1 2 3 4. So which is 1 0 1 1. Then my last group will be 1 0, and this is in 2 bits. We need 4 bits, so we add 2 zeros from behind so that we get our 4 bits. Then we change them to decimal. So 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8. So here I will get 2. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 4 plus 2, 6. 6. So 11 in hexadecimal is B. So my answer is 2B6 base 16. Guys, thank you for watching. In our next video, we are going to learn how to change octal number to binary and hexadecimal number to binary. See you again next time. Bye.